So here we have a problem and we have an equation here, and that equation is nothing but minus 8 to the power x equal to 512, and 4 options have been given. Option A, the value of x is 3. Option B, it should be undefined. Option C, it should be infinite, and option D, no solution. So we need to find out one answer from here. Now let us look here. Here minus 8 to the power x equal to 512. By seeing 512, some of you may think, can we create a power of 8? 8 to the power 512 means 8 to the power 3. So someone of you may think the value of x should be 3, which is the option A. But here you need to notice, here is minus. So minus 8 to the power x means if the value of x is 3, that means minus 8 to the power 3 cannot be equal to 8 to the power 3. So obviously option A is not correct. Now instead of resolving this problem, let us do one thing. Let us write 8 to the power x equal to minus 512. You know, you can do that. Just simply I have multiplied both sides with minus. So now there is no negative sign here for time being, and here it becomes minus 512. Now think logically. Whatever the real number we can imagine of x, and if it is a power of a positive number, can it create a negative number? So here 8 is a positive number. Now whatever the value of x we can think here. Suppose some of you may think, let us take the value of x is in minus. So suppose I am taking the value of x equal to minus 4. Correct? Now if I take the value of x minus 4, what will happen? 8 to the power minus 4. Let me write it here. 8 to the power minus 4. It means what? 1 by 8 to the power 4. But here you can see, if I divide 1 with 8 to the power 4 also, it will not go to the negative side. Correct? Now some of you may say, okay, let us take the value of x in minus infinite. If the value of x is minus infinite, then what will be the solution of this? 1 by, that means 8 to the power minus infinite, which is nothing but 1 by 8 to the power infinite, which is infinite, that means 1 by infinite. Even if this is the solution also, if I divide 1 with infinite number, maximum to maximum it can go. Let me write it here, 1 by infinite. Maximum to maximum it can go till 0. If we consider the limit, limit x towards infinite. So in no cases it can create a negative number. So for a real solution, if we take the real value of x, and if it is a power of a positive number, it cannot create a negative number. So the answer should be option D, no solution. Hope you got the answer.